Hello Globetrotters, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Lori, and in this community, we aim to educate, motivate, and inspire each other in all things travel related. Happy fall! This is my favorite season. If you are not new to the channel, you will know this. And so, of course, I dibble and dabble in all things because I have so many various interests. But today, we're going to talk about fall fashion. So we're going to talk a little bit about the trends, but more so about shopping your wardrobe, shopping your closet, because we're not going to be going out shopping. So if that interests you, then feel free to take a look back at my fall 2023 video, because it'll be very similar to this one with different fashions. I chose different outfits for this one. And of course, if you find yourself liking the content, if you feel inspired as you're watching it, then go ahead and click that thumbs up button, give the video a like, feel free to forward it to others who may benefit from it. And if you're not yet a part of the community, feel free to click that red subscribe button and join the clan. We don't bite around here, and it's free. As always, I say to start with footwear, because footwear is that element that we cannot hold down usually unless you're wearing a ballet flat. The Adidas Sambas are still trending, so I'm going to have both of my pairs of Adidas Sambas, the white OGs and then the green pair as well. And I'm also going to have my pair of Prada loafers. Loafers are trending huge for this fall. Loafers are always a fall staple. You probably saw me pick this pair up in Florida in the spring, during spring break when I went shopping at the outlets. I picked these up at the Prada outlet, yes. I'm not much of a chunky loafer fan. I haven't found a pair yet that fit my aesthetic, fit my style. And so until I find a pair, I'm gonna stay with the sleeker pairs of loafers. And I'm probably gonna add a few more pairs before the season is out, before fall and winter are over, because I am transitioning from wearing heels as much to more comfy shoes, to more comfortable shoes. So I'm keeping the comfortable heels that I have, the Cole Haans, but I'm definitely going to be transitioning more to loafers. So check it out and see how my style evolves over the coming month. So the way that I decided to approach this video is to go by what is my thinking for my destination, as well as for whatever the occasion is and any events that I will be involved in during my trip. So this outfit is one that I'm more likely to wear. You saw me looking for this in the Versace outlet when I was also doing my spring break shopping, but I didn't find it then. I found it online at an online outlet retailer. I found the one with the big face instead, the big Versace emblem on the chest, which is, a little bit louder than I usually am. But I wore that one in my Turks and Caicos video. You should have seen that. But this Versace swimsuit is something that I really, really wanted because it's very sleek and understated. I love the neckline. This is a neckline that's very flattering to me, to my body type, and it helps to minimize my top a little bit, so I'm not looking so top heavy when I wear something that has more of a halter type of effect. So this is something that I would wear if I'm going from a cooler destination to a warmer destination. And let's say I'm taking like a flight that will get there early in the morning before I can get into my room. I'm gonna have on my bathing suit ready to go. So let's get started first with the outfit that I have on. I bet you're wondering, what am I wearing? This is a cashmere set. Well, not a set specifically. These are separates that I purchased from Quince. I told you guys about Quince, which is a lovely online retailer. So you're going to find AAA, high grade, beautiful cashmeres, not the kind of cashmeres you find for $9.99 and $19.99, but you're going to pay a little bit extra, but not as much as you would if you were paying for a premium name on that article of clothing. So this is something I definitely would wear, because I told you cashmere is very cool. It's very light. It's airy, but it also can keep you warm. This I can have slung over my shoulders. If I get cool or cold or chilly on the plane, I can easily just slip my arms into it, pull the hood over my head. It blocks out the light. It blocks out the air that's flowing, all of those things. And I can be very, very comfortable in a heartbeat. Of course, I'm wearing my white Adidas Sambas because I want to be comfortable. I want to be able to run through the airport and all of that. And so those are my thoughts behind this outfit. Next outfit. I think my style, if I were to try to capture it in a phrase, would be smart casual with a chic edge to it. That's very much my aesthetic, smart casual. I want to be comfortable beyond anything else. I want to be comfortable. So I'm going to be comfortable most in a dress. In this next look, you're going to see me wearing something that I'm most likely to be wearing if I'm traveling because of obvious reasons. You know, it's free flowing and all of that. If I'm taking a long flight, more than likely, you're either going to find me in something like what I have on now, where the legs are tapered because I will have to use the restroom at some point, or a dress because I can bunch that up and it won't touch anything. I am definitely wearing my compression hose, so those keep me warm. So I need something to make sure I'm cooler up top. This is a sleeveless dress that I picked up from Target in their latest Future Collective collection, and I basically just threw a Zara blazer over it. This is in case I'm going to a meeting or something like I did for going to Taiwan. I in fact did throw a blazer over my dress. It was a very casual dress, but I threw a blazer over it because I knew I would need a blazer on the trip, and blazers take up a lot of room for me. This is a very structured blazer. It's a tuxedo blazer, actually, and that's why I pulled the collar up so it looks more casual rather than have the shiny tuxedo lapels down. So I would, of course, slap a pin on this. I would put a brooch on it and just like jazz it up a little bit more because, you know, it's Zara, but it's great quality, and it also looks more expensive when I put a designer pin, either one of my YSLs or, you know, Loewe or even Chanel pins on there. It would just make it look that much more elevated. Again, elevated casual, smart casual. That's my vibe. And then I have on my Prada loafers with these, and I just threw on a pair of dark sunglasses to just make the look go. And I can always, you know, throw a sling bag. I think I found this sling bag at Ross for like $10 or $20, less than $20, definitely. But it's something that's very casual, very comfortable, but I look pulled together. I look smart. That's what I want. That's what I'm hoping to convey. And I hope that you can see that in this look as well. Whenever the leaves change and you see the browns and the greens and the reds and the yellows and the oranges, those are all fall colors. So depending on the year, depending on the season, depending on the fashion gods, if you've been watching any other runway shows from last spring, which forecasted what's popular now in the fall, you would have seen that Merlot or Burgundy or wine, this dark, deep, saturated, sexy red. That's the red that is very, very popular this season. So if that's one of your favorite colors, you're going to see this all over the place. Again, I just went into my wardrobe. This is a pair of pants that I've gotten from Kohl's many years ago. I had the black pair as well, and this is a Simply Vera Wang collection. If I'm looking down, it's because I'm looking down at the reference to make sure that I'm telling you guys everything that I have on here. Again, I have on the Prada shoes, I have on the same blazer, and I have on a black top underneath, but I just wanted to make this, you know, just something comfortable. And I know that the big wide baggy pants are in right now, but if you check the runways that just happened during Milan and New York and Paris and even London Fashion Week, you will see that skinny pants are coming back in. So I have not gotten rid of my skinny pants or my skinny jeans because I like them. But I do have a pair of denim for you. So that's the next look. So that last look I would have worn if I was just going to a very casual, maybe I'm going to visit family, maybe I'm going to just do mostly sightseeing. There aren't any special events planned. I may need a blazer just to throw on over a pair of jeans to make something look smart for dinner or something like that. But maybe it's very, very cold there and I don't want to arrive wearing a dress and have that draft coming up into the dress. So I would wear that kind of an outfit. Or I may wear something like this. And here are the jeans. You know, denim is a big trend for fall because it's usually too hot to wear denim during the summer. So you'll see more denim pieces. This is one of my 2 or 3 pairs of denim jeans. I just have, these are from Spanx. I have on my white Adidas Samba OGs and another blazer from Zara. Believe it or not, most of my blazers are from Zara. So this is a white or off-white blazer that I picked up in Milan, actually, at one of the Zaras in Milan last fall. And it hits lovely, just like mid-thigh on me. So this goes really great if I wanted to go to, say, dinner or a bar or something and put on like a short skirt. I could put on a skirt that's slightly shorter than the blazer and it doesn't look obscene because the blazer goes past the length of the shorts. I have some shorts that I like to wear, some leather shorts that I like to wear that would go great with this. And then I just put on a tank top that I got from H&M with it. And the bag is a Brandon Blackwood bag. I featured this in my birthday haul from last year, from 2023, and just threw on a nice leather belt, a cognac leather belt with that to make it pop, and have my glasses on. And that would be a very chill look for me. And if I knew that I needed some heavyweight material, if it would be very cold, like I'm going to Europe, Northern Europe especially, and I would need a pair of jeans during this time of year, then yes, I would wear the jeans because those would be heavy and harder to just roll and crunch down into my suitcase. And if you're new around here, I travel mostly carry-on. Okay, so I can't remember what year it was when I last checked a bag. It was very, very, very many years ago. So I travel carry-on only, and so I tried to just have one rolling suitcase and then one backpack or shoulder bag with me, and then that's it. So this would be the kind of outfit that I wear if I needed to take a pair of jeans with me. I would, more than likely wear a blazer over it or a light jacket or something like that. On to the next look. If you know me, you know that you can't have Lori without having an all black look. As a matter of fact, I can probably wear all black for a full month straight and never repeat an outfit combination because that's how many black articles of clothing I have. I have branched out. I've done a little bit better. I have some green. So in this outfit, you see that there are touches of green. I have a simple black tank top from Loewe on underneath. And then I have a pair of black slacks, and slacks have taken the place of sweatpants this whole year. In the spring season, you saw this. In the summer, you saw this, whether it was linen pants or wool pants or what have you. But these very loose-fitting casual slacks are very trendy, especially for the fall. So I have a pair of black ones. I picked these up from Old Navy, I believe in the summer, so they're very lightweight. I have my green Sambas on with this. And then the fun piece, the funky fun piece, is this lovely cardigan that I got from Farm Rio. Actually, I picked it up at a local boutique here during one of my runs. I may have vlogged it. I can't remember if I have, at Monkey's here in Johnson City. But this is a Farm Rio blazer, and it has loops. It's just fun. It's fun, and it's very, very warm. So if I needed something warm, but I didn't want to have a coat with me, if I didn't want to look so wintry, like I put on a coat, a jacket, then I would put on this fun little cardigan here. And then I just popped in another pop of green to play up the green in my shoes with this little Brandon Blackwood trunk bag. In this next look, I decided to go with one of the popular trends happening right now. Again, I had this skirt in my wardrobe. I picked this up actually from Amazon. I'll link it below for you. I picked this skirt up last year. As a matter of fact, it was in the thumbnail for my Milan video because I actually wore this when I was in Italy last fall. And I just threw on my Burberry jacket. This is many seasons ago, I don't know when, and this vintage YSL crossbody bag, this YSL camera bag that I have with my Prada shoes on. Again, everything is comfortable. I have on just a basic, again, that commence top. It's just a long sleeve black t-shirt, a long sleeve t-shirt basically in black. Threw on my glasses with it and just put on a little bit of an animal print. I'll just do a touch. I can't do a whole dress in animal print. I may do some shoes in animal print. I may do a bag in animal print, or even like the pony-haired bag that I had from Brandon Blackwood. Or I may do like this skirt, which is very simple. It's easy to wear, a slip skirt, a satin slip skirt. Very easy to roll up into my suitcase. But again, if I'm not wearing a dress and I'm going somewhere where I can get away with wearing a skirt when I arrive there, then I may wear the skirt. And I have done that in the past as well. So this is like one of the favorite things that I would do as well. Now, guys, don't go anywhere because you guys are up next. I have some looks for you. Now, this first look is similar to my look with the tone-on-tone, t-shirt, some tapered pants. Again, I love the tapered look because, again, for a long trip, and then just a cardigan, a sweater, something thrown over the shoulders, because I talk about always dressing in layers so that if you get cold or hot, you can then put on or take off layers as appropriate to make sure that you're comfortable in your flight, in your travels, and you don't want to be stuck on a plane where you're sweating or where you're freezing. So this is a great look for guys. This next look here is another one that's layered. I like the cap. The New York Yankee caps are still very popular, still very on trend. I like this puffer vest that he has on here with his pants and his long sleeve t-shirt. So layered up to make sure that he's comfortable when he's traveling. And this gentleman here, I really like this look because it's kind of the, you know, you have the sports jacket on, you have the sneakers. Again, the tapered pant leg that doesn't like flow too much, just goes very well. It looks very nice. This is another look. It's a kind of a more relaxed look with the pants and the sweatshirt, and you can see that there's another layer underneath there. So again, layers, comfortable shoes. If you have to run in between gates when there are changes, you want to be able to do so comfortably, not wearing flip-flops. Here's another look that's very nice. There go the Adidas again, and layers. And this gentleman looks very comfortable, but he still looks very put together. He still looks, you know, smart with that. So here, this gentleman did a reel of 5 different jackets that you can wear during the fall. The flannel, the denim, the varsity jacket, the bomber jacket, of course, the Gillette or the vest. And I just wanted to share that with you guys. I thought it was pretty cool. And you can wear any team's hat that you want. It doesn't have to be the New York Yankees. Did you like one of the looks above any of the others? Is there a look particularly that you would perhaps be inspired to recreate, and not necessarily dupe it look for look, but maybe recreate with your own aesthetic, your own style in mind? If you did enjoy the video, please give it a thumbs up. Please consider subscribing to the channel and sharing this with others who may enjoy the content as well. Remember to value experiences over things, because travel is the only thing you buy that truly makes you richer. Thank you for watching. Ciao.